Welcome to our ultimate guide on laptop battery optimization. In this video, we will explore technical expert strategies to help you maximize your daily battery life and protect your laptop's long-term health. There are two main battery challenges: daily drain, which limits your use during the day, and long-term degradation, which reduces total capacity over years of ownership. Our optimization framework is based on two pillars: software adjustments to extend power for today, and hardware habits to protect your battery health for years to come. The display is usually your biggest power consumer. To save battery, consider lowering screen brightness, turning off your keyboard backlight, and using dark mode themes. Idle time wastes energy. You can improve efficiency by shortening screen timeout settings, setting the laptop to sleep after 15 minutes, and configuring the lid to trigger sleep mode instantly. Using battery saver mode can significantly extend your runtime. This mode pauses background email syncing, restricts background apps, limits CPU performance, and dims the screen brightness. Hidden background tasks often drain power. Check your task manager to identify and close resource-heavy applications and reduce the frequency of background sync intervals. External hardware draws power even when not in heavy use. Remember to unplug USB drives, turn off Bluetooth when unnecessary, and use airplane mode during offline work. Graphics settings impact your battery significantly. High refresh rates consume extra power, so consider lowering yours to 60 Hz and forcing standard applications to use integrated graphics instead of a dedicated GPU. Protecting long-term hardware health requires mindful habits. While software helps with daily use, you directly control the degradation rate of your lithium-ion battery cells. Heat is the enemy of battery life. Keep your laptop in a temperate environment, and always ensure your cooling vents are unobstructed by using your laptop on hard, flat surfaces. Constant 100% charges can stress your battery. Use your manufacturer's software to cap the maximum charge at 80%, which helps prevent long-term cell degradation. Battery sensors can lose accuracy over time. Every 3 months, calibrate your battery by charging to 100%, draining it completely, and recharging to 100% without interruption. Keep your software efficient. Regularly install firmware and driver updates, and choose power-efficient applications, as some browsers consume less energy than others. Follow this cheat sheet to balance your daily performance with long-term battery health. Implementing these simple software and hardware adjustments will make a lasting difference.